Dear students, a very happy Children's Day to all of you. God bless you all. I want to say one thing that start planning what you're going to study, what are your career plans. Start doing it now. Otherwise, someone else is going to do it. Maybe your parents or maybe some other relatives or whatever. So take charge of your future, start planning it, and for that, you need to think about what are the plus point for yourself, which subjects you enjoy, how many hours can you dedicate to your studies, what are your hobbies. Again, it's not necessary that you are going to make your career only regarding your studies. So whatever is your passion, go ahead with your passion, and then accordingly think about the colleges options and work on it. So I want all of you to do something very good in your life, so that when we see some names in the future, we will say that these are my students, I have taught them. So God bless you all, enjoy yourself, and again a very happy Children's Day to all of you. Bye everyone.